Hello guys, there we have a Lenovo TAB M11 Plus, and today I will show you how you can make your tablet louder. So we start from the settings way, go to the settings and choose the sound section. How you can see we have a Dolby sound here, so choose it. And now choose custom. Now slide a little down and swipe up all of these switchers to the up on the maximum range, and now your device should be louder. There is other way to do it by downloading an app. I choose that one, so we have to open it and click 3 times no thank you. Now close the window and click OK. And now by this little slider you can increase and decrease your volume booster, And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.